everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Remax up in Big Bear. Today I am going to walk you through 1112 Mount Whitney over in Big Bear City. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are, 1112 Mount Whitney from the street. We've got a little cross street down here. Nice neighborhood all around. This is over in the Whispering Forest neighborhood of Big Bear City. So we've got this nice like kind of split rail fence. There's no property markers in the ground, but going to kind of come out at the fence line right there and be right to the edge of right here. It looks like we've got irrigation as well. And then just kind of, this is what we get in Big Bear. We just kind of desert-scape things because it's really hard to grow grass. A lot of people have been putting turf in, but we just kind of use this natural landscape. And then down here, we've got another cross street. But look at these beautiful trees in the neighborhood. Beautiful. So here's going to be the other, right around the edge of this concrete post right here. I again do not see the property line, but I mean it kind of you can see it. We do have a concrete driveway, good enough for 3 cars for sure. Then we're going to be looking at the exterior. We do have gutters on it. Paint job is really nicely done on it, like a light brown and a dark brown. You could use this as a vacation rental, primary home, anything like that. And then also we've got gate access to the backyard. So you could get an RV through here, a boat, trailers, anything you want. So let's go through here. And the gutters will keep this deck pretty clear of snow and ice. Our stop and waste are both right here. And then the irrigation is going to be here. And then just 3 steps up, we are now on the deck. Just going to kind of walk this way. Got little fencing right here with some lights. We do have a deck that is made of wood. And then right here, I don't really know what this is. Maybe it's a bear box. I don't know. Okay, and I can tell we do have dual pane windows inside too. So let's go check it out. Okay, so here we are right at the entrance. Got a beautiful door with like a amber colored glass. Pretty. All right, so one thing to note, everything is on 1 story. So we are single story right here. Pretty open. They've got this set up for vacation rentals. So you've got game room, living room, dining room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom this way. So we are going to be looking at 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms. And this home is listed for $449. So locked closet for vacation rental. And check out these old skis. Chalet Junior by the Ski People. And I love that they just hung them with little handles. That's cute. And then here we have emergency contact information. Here we have some bugs that are not native to Big Bear. And then our short-term rental permit. So this one's going to sleep 6 people, 2 cars, 1 car per bedroom. And then this one is already expired. So chances are they have another one. And if you know a thing or two about me, you know that I love nutcrackers. So I do not even have one that size. That one's pretty awesome. I love him. Okay, so flooring. We always like to talk about flooring. Laminate, hardwood, light colored flooring. We do have vaulted tongue and groove ceilings. We do have a nice skylight. And let me look up here. I've got one view of a tree that direction, and just really good lighting. That's it. And we've got some old skis here too, handled by the brackets. Love it. Okay, so we're gonna go this way. Nice blank wall. If it were me, I would probably knock this wall down if I could. just to be able to open it up from living room to kitchen. Here we have the living room. Got seating for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this wall, I mean, they have a really nice paneling. Let me get to a point where I can kind of focus in on it and touch it, but it's actually really pretty. We do have live edge mantle. They've painted their classic Big Bear Rock white. They also have a fire insert right here with a little fire going. And the mantle looks about to be to code. So all good there. Here is a good area to see the paneling. It's a bit dark, but you can also color this if you wanted to. Taupe, white, anything, gray. It looks like this is going to be some sort of starter right here. And then the TV. The TV is one of those curved TVs, so you can see it from any angle. Okay, and then we're going to go into the dining room. So dining room seats 6. I mean, they did a good job with like everything's consistent. They sleep 6, park 6, people, not cars. Living room, host that many. You know, these are all the things that you want to think about. Like, can you host in the dining room all the people that are sleeping in the house? That is always something I like to think about. So, again, dining room. Then we've got a slider that goes to the back door, or the backyard, but I'm going to go out there in just a little bit. Got a fun little drinking game. Pass a shot. Here we have a countertop, so a little bit shorter. This comes down to like my high thigh, I would say. So it's good for like eating at with a shorter stool. Kitchen, beautiful updated granite countertops. We do have, you know, very nice cabinetry. Very cabin looking for sure. And so this is the part where it's like, if this whole wall just went away and this is a flat stove, you could open up this room into the living room and enjoy cooking for your people too. Got a dishwasher. And then again, we do have dual pane windows all throughout. Dual stainless steel sink. And I like how I just now noticed, like kind of whitewashed the top wall, the top of the ceiling. Here is another indication that it is a vacation rental. I don't know. Yeah, I guess that does look, it almost makes me dizzy looking at it, but like when you look at it on the camera, it's not that bad. So we have a supply closet right here for everything that is needed. And then this is going to be a hallway, so it's like a cross hallway. So we go this way to go outside, that way to go to the bedrooms, and then coming down this hallway. So you could go into the bathroom right here too, but we're not going to. Nice 70s mirrors right here. And then we have the laundry. Little bifold doors in really good shape. And then we also have a pocket door right here. So if you're doing laundry, you can cut the noise off right there. And then here we are coming down the hallway. We've got that paneling again. Do have a thermostat. So we've got bathroom, bedroom, master. So coming into the bathroom, parts of it have been updated. We do have granite countertops, a quartz sink, same cabinetry as in the kitchen, same flooring as in what's in the living room. Please keep showers short to everyone so everyone gets a chance for hot water. It's a very kind reminder. And here we have the shower. We've got like a white almost like a hammered kind of feel. Very clean. Like this is one of the cleanest tubs I think I've ever seen. You've got one spider, but this thing looks like they probably just redid that. I did forget to mention we are listed with Linda Ford over at Sothebys on this one. And again, the price on this one is $449. So coming into bedroom number 1, we've got the bunk bed. So you've got a queen with a twin over top and then a twin right here. Very cozy, very warm feeling. We do have central heating here, and then we also have carpet that is in really good shape. And then a pretty deep-ish kind of walk-in closet, too. This is really private out here. And I love how they did that lamp. Check that out. That's pretty fun. Okay, we've got like a little supply area, probably towels and such. Fun little statues. Oh, we've got a light. And then we are going into the master. So in the master, we've got a queen and a twin. Twin is blocking that doorway. I would personally just do a king, but since it sleeps 6 people, I mean, you could get 4 in the other one, 3 in here. So I see why they did it, but I think I would check this one out. Love, love, love the backsplash wall that they have. That's a fun lamp too. So all the wood picket things are all colored differently. We've got nice lighting up above. Look, a nice little scene out here. This is great. And then we're going to go into the bathroom. So same products as the other bathroom. We've got the granite countertops, the ceramic sink, and then here we have the bathroom. So almost if you put a pocket door here, you could kind of keep this door like that's the shower. This, you could wash your hands out here. Love the wall that they did. I love chaos, like organized chaos. It's beautiful. Toilet. And then I have this exact same shower in Joshua Tree, except their inside is a little bit nicer. They have taken the insert out and added that same white hammered tile. Super clean, again. What would you expect after seeing the first bathroom? I can't even tell which one's my favorite sign. Very good question. All right, and then lastly, we'll go out back and check out the backyard. Pan around really quick. We do have a ramp out here. So here we have more signage. Really cute. Got a private kind of like fenced area right here that is mounted with skis. I've got a few I could probably contribute if we wanted to grow that collection. And then coming down underneath the deck, pretty clean. The fence line is going to be the property. And everything's kind of just like rock, dirt. Quiet. Little peaceful backyard. You could have a really nice garden. So this one, proximity to the ski slopes, maybe about like a 7 to 8 minute drive, 5 minutes to the grocery stores, 9 minutes to the village. Very quick, easy access to town just because you are pretty much right off North Shore. And so you can get everywhere easily. Let me know what you think. Bye.